On the way to the Diwan-e Khas, one comes across various buildings of historical importance, such as the armory, the offices of the Diwan, the mosque of Ibrahim Qutub Shah, the Dad Mahal where the Sultan heard petitions, and the Mahakali temple, built probably by the Kakatiya rulers.
The Qutub Shahi sultans must have been very tolerant.
Very true. There was no religious intolerance during the Qutub Shahi rule.
Where did the Sultan live?
Right here. 280 steps descend from the Diwan-e Khas to the Sultan's residence. Here, where the fabulous Rani Mahals and the Sultan's quarters were situated. This palace, with its luxuriously decorated rooms, open courtyards, verdant gardens and sparkling fountains, must have been a veritable paradise on earth. Sultan Quli